Good morning, everyone. It's 20 past 8 in the morning. I've just pulled out my wedges and that sort of thing out of the floor and given it a bit of a sweep off. Just knifed out any glue while it's still green, just in my joints if I had a bit there, which, you know, I had a little bit. Just knifed that out. You always do that the next morning when it's still green. Just a little tip, DIYers. This is my office, my view from my office, looking out at the Gold Coast hinterland. Hinterland? Yeah, all the palms and yeah, the rainforest. So yeah, that's my view from my office. This is the inside of my office. What I'm doing at the moment now is I've found my height. Well, I haven't found it, was there all the time. Because this is a slope in the shower to the strip drain. That's my lowest point. Here, so that's where I start. I don't want to be up here and then have a little slither cut. Nah, that's you don't do that sort of thing. So unfortunately I've got to trim the bottom of my tile, but hey, that's all right. Where is my tape? One thing I do want to check though is my height going up there. Full tiles are yep, cool. Full tiles are 2.4 and I've got 2,370, so I'm trimming a little bit off the top of my tile, so that's good. If the ceiling's a little bit out of level, so be it, I trim accordingly. I've just got to scrape that crap away from there. It's old grout, that's no biggie. And then we slope up, sloping ceiling. So off my lowest, take off about 15, I've got 15 mil falls. What's that in full tiles is 2.7, come down a bit, yeah, 2.795. 2.795, so nearly 2.8. That's cool. 5 6s are 30. So there I'm cutting off about 2.8 and 5 6s are 30. So I'm cutting off 1, 2, about 250. So that's cool. Brilliant. I love it. Okay, so what I need to do now, that's my starting mark. I don't need to be right on it because I'm cutting it anyway. So we'll rub that out. Go on the line. And because I spread my tile, I can go right around, mark my whole bathroom and then turn off my laser. I'm not having to charge it all the time. Because I don't have it going for long periods of time. Now that, people, is more accurate than any level, any handheld level. Because you've only got to be a couple of mil out with a handheld level and it gets worse. And if you're 2 mil down without realising it, and then 2 mil up, you're 4 mil out before you even know it. Okay, well, I'll mix up some glue and start pumping it out. I'll do that wall first. It's all going to be matched lines. I'll be doing that wall first because as you walk in, people, that's the first, even though like you see that first, but when you do that wall first and you go into it, it looks better with your line, with your gap down the corner. And there's a blowfly, he can bugger off too. Alright people, hang tight, I'll just set myself up and we'll start on the next lesson. I've got to cut that when I do my tile. I cut that for a switch size, which is always 95 by 45. That is just a hole, and they plug the towel warmer in. What else? That's about it. So please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, push the thumbs up, push the subscribe, tune into my channel, folks. You will learn heaps. Chriso's out to teach as much as he can, teach what I have learned over 35 years, you know, some good things, a lot of good things, and the odd bad thing I've learned too. Don't worry about that, everyone does. I've got to do these architraves today so I can butt my tile into it, but I've got it, so all I need to do is cut them and tack them up. It won't hold me up. I will do them as I'm tiling. Okay, see you soon. Bye.